Froggy? Here, put Froggy on the turtle. Put him on the turtle so he can swim.
Put the frog on the turtle.
Can you have some fun on it?
Yeah. Hold on, let me get the turtle. Are you showing all your YouTube friends?
Yeah, he likes the pool. Look at him, he's swimming.
Hey, leave him on there. Just let him go out there. Whoa, Froggy and Turtle are hanging out. He's pretty big, huh?
Yeah, he's fat.
Yeah, he is. Whoa!
He's not so big.
No! Save him!
I got him.
Whoa!
Come on, Froggy, let's go.
Walk it to Plumber, baby. Swimming pool!